हमारे चैनल को Hello everyone, welcome to Homeopathicology. My name is Sanul Haq. Today I am going to discuss about some homeopathic remedies for the heartburn, indigestion, gastritis. So let's start. But before starting this video, please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and do subscribe to Homeopathicology for the more videos. So let's move on to our topic. Today in this video I am going to tell you about 21 homeopathic remedies that you can use for the different purposes, but don't forget that these all are the same. So the first one homeopathic remedy for heartburn and indigestion is none other than Nux vomica. You can use Nux vomica for the acidity, gastritis, constipation. The second homeopathic remedy is Carbovig. You can pronounce it as Carboveg tablet. You can use this homeopathic remedy if you have gas with asthma, intestine disorder, gas in upper abdomen. The third remedy is China. You can use this remedy if your stomach is filled with the gas and you have the gas in your complete abdomen. So the fourth one is none other than Lycopodium. You can use Lycopodium for the lower abdomen gas. So if you have only gas filling in your lower abdomen part, you can use Lycopodium. If you have a dry mouth and bitter taste, then you must try the Pristilla, which is very good homeopathic remedies for the bitter taste. So the sixth one is sulfur, which we can give to those patients who have the heat problem, gastric patient with heat from feet and hands. So the seventh homeopathic remedy for the acidity is Natrum carb. We can pronounce it as Natrum carbonicum. We can give it to the patients who have stomach ulcer, digesting and ingestion food problem, and those patients who cannot take the unrestricted foods. Like those foods, by taking they can get different diseases like vomiting, diarrhea, etc. So the eighth one is Calicarb. So if the old people has dyspepsia, then we can give Calicarb to them. We can also give Calicarb to burning acidity patients and those patients who have gastric disorder from the cold water. So at number 9 we have Calibicrom. We can give to those patients who have dyspepsia and indigestion by drinking alcohol, and those patients who have digestion problem after taking the meal, like their digestive system doesn't work properly when they eat a meal. So at number 10 we have graphites. We can give it to the patients who have constipation, burning crumbs in the upper abdomen system, and especially to those patients who release the gases with disgusting smells. If you have a patient that has loud belching problem, you can give Argentum nitricum to them. This is our 11th homeopathic remedy for the acidity problems. At number 12 we have Natrum Fast. We can give it to the patients who have sore feeling, sore taste and sore belching. At number 13 we have Robina. If your patient has rapid digestion, acrid erucations and greenish vomiting, then you can give Robina to them. At number 14 we have Arsenic album. We can give Arsenic album to the nausea and vomiting patients. Those patients who got disturbed after eating, that they start vomiting right after they eat something, Argentum nitricum works best for them. So Arsenic album works best for them. We can give phosphorus to the patients that feel hunger after eating something. So they are probably like me. So if you ever lost your appetite, then you should take the homeopathic medicine antimonium crude. So if you have abnormal hunger with your taste bud is not working, then you should try Bryonia. I am pretty sure that this is the best homeopathic remedy for the most of the people. At number 18 we have Coruscant, which works best for the bitter taste, and if you feel that your tongue is rough and it has sore kind of feeling and your tongue is working after drinking hot liquids. At number 19 we have magnesia phos. So those patients who are constipation due to gas and indigestion, we can give magnesia phos to them. Such patients have a lot of thirst for the cold drinks. So at number 21 we have hypersulf. So we can give the hypersulf to those patients who dislike the fast foods. They have the stomach swellings and irritations, especially after eating the fast food, and especially to those who are powerless for expelling the soft stool. So this is the end from my side of the 21 best homeopathic remedies to use for the indigestion, gastric patients and heartburn. You might be wondering that which one is the best and which is not. So I'm going to tell you the secret, and you are the lucky one who are watching this video till the end. So let me tell you that which is the best homeopathic remedy from all of these that you can use and you can give to your patients. So from my side, the best homeopathic remedy is not the one. There are two homeopathic remedies that works best. So if you have stomach disorder, gas, indigestion and gastric burn, then you must have to use only sulfur and nux vomica homeopathic remedies. So you might be wondering that how you can use these remedies. The best way to use sulfur and nux vomica is to use one homeopathic remedy at a time. You can take sulfur in the morning while the nux vomica at the night. So these two homeopathic remedies works for most of the patients that have the gastritis problem. So I think you may like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do comment that how do you find this video and what are you going to look in this video and what are you going to want in the next videos. So keep supporting me and keep watching Homeopathicology. Take care. Bye bye.